So in this video, we're going to talk about the TikTok video formula that you need to produce all of your short form video content. So short form video content is a strategy that has been used since probably pre-COVID, but it really rise in popularity when TikTok took off during COVID. And for most digital marketing purposes, it is a game changer. It is the absolute breadwinner, and it will bring in most of your conversions and sales. So a lot of small business owners and entrepreneurs are really hesitating to get on TikTok because they don't know how to operate the app, for one, and two, they don't know how to create videos that are high converting. And the key to creating a high converting video is understanding the formula behind every video that you create. There is no set standard for what really defines short form video content, but this term usually refers to any sort of fast-paced TikTok styles or anything that you see on Reels that could easily be consumed in smaller bits or clips rather than long-form pieces, such as YouTube videos, for instance, or podcasts or blog posts. The attention span of a person nowadays is, I think, around like 7 seconds or something crazy like that. And because most TikTok videos are under a minute, 30 seconds, around that range, they've really grabbed the attention of users, and it has led to a lot of conversions with small business owners on the app. So the first part of the perfect TikTok video formula is the hook. So to begin with, hooking your audience is crucial for a successful video because it grabs their attention. And you typically need to use the first 3 to 5 seconds of each clip in order to inform them what the value they can be expecting from the video is and why they should pay attention to the rest of the video. If you can grab their attention in that first 3 to 5 seconds of the video, TikTok will realize this as a video that is high performing, and they will push that out into their algorithm. So some great examples of hooks that you could use for your videos are 10 social media tips I wish I knew earlier, or I just found the perfect eyeliner hack ever, or how to grow your TikTok business organically. Those are some great hooks that will pique your viewers' attention and be more interested to watch the rest of your video. The next step in the viral TikTok formula is called build up. So this one is pretty self-explanatory. You're basically building up what your offer is going to be. You don't want to just drop knowledge on them right away, right when you get into the video, because you want to keep people watching. You want to build up that watch time. You want them to be more engaged and excited about the information that you're going to provide afterward. Step number 3 is actually dropping the value. Once they're hooked and once you have their attention, it's time to really dive deep into what you're providing your audience. So drop some profound knowledge about makeup, or share all of your exciting tips about social media. Whatever it may be, this is your chance to really shine and show your audience that you are an expert in your field. You want to make sure that you give your audience the value that they promised and make them not feel like they've just been tricked into watching something. You don't want to disappoint them and prevent them from not returning to your account. The whole point of dropping value is for them to say, oh wow, this video really impacted me. This video really made a difference to me. I'm gonna go watch their other videos now and see what more value they can provide. This last step is one that is often overlooked by many small business owners and entrepreneurs and people that are trying to build their business on TikTok, and this is the call to action. So this is the part of your video where you impact your audience to actually take action towards something rather than just watching the video and scrolling to the next one. For instance, you encourage them to do something next. So this can be leading them to read another blog, or visit a web page, or check out a course, or purchase a certain product. Now I'm actually going to go over how to implement this viral formula and show you how to do it in an actual TikTok video. So I already have a video planned of what I'm going to do. I have a sound that I'm going to use. So we're going to go to the plus symbol right here. The plus symbol. TikTok is a little glitchy, so this kind of scares me. Then we're going to go to add sound. We're going to go to favorites. I'm going to do a jiggle jiggle one. Alright, we'll go camera, 15 seconds. So this is the point where you want to kind of plan out how you want the video to look. I'll turn the sound down. Okay. So you want to plan out how the video will look. So the video I'm going to do is 7 apps and tools that I can't live without as a business owner. So in the video, I'm going to be listing off the different apps and tools. So you want to make sure that you proportion yourself in the camera in the right way. So I wouldn't want to just be dead center like this, because it'd be too weird to have all of these different like names come in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up a little bit right here, and then I'm going to move off to the right hand side just a smidge. So that way when I'm filming the video, I can list everything off when I'm in the editing process, and it looks a little bit more neat and smooth rather than just like a hodgepodge of things all over the screen. So, alright. Now, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to be looking at the book right here, and... Alright, let's try this out. Alright, let's try this out.
I have rapped in a program I did, a Weird Weekends episode about rap.
Can you remember any of the rap names?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it rolls. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble dribble, you know, write it in my beard.
Alright, let's see how that turned out.
I have rapped in a program I did, a Weird Weekends episode about rap.
Can you remember any of the rap names?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it rolls. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble dribble.
Okay, so we'll keep that, and we'll hit... I like to save it to the drafts beforehand, because there have been times where I go through the entire editing process on a video and it doesn't save. So I highly recommend saving it to your drafts right after you film it. So we're gonna go back in, turn the volume down, and then we're just gonna add in all of our text. So that's where we want it. Now the save warning, so the build up, you want it to end right before you add the value, so right at the same time, but you want to make sure that it comes in a few seconds after the hook. So then we're going to set the duration, so it's going to pop in right after. We'll end it a little bit early so we can add in our call to action. We add that in, follow to grow your biz. And then we'll do like a little arrow emoji. Bam. And then we'll add that right at the end. Cool. And then we're going to add in our captions. So we'll ask a question in this caption. So do you use... So now that we have our caption, our hashtags, and you could add more, I just, for the simplicity of this video, I'm going to leave it there. We're going to select a cover. Now, I'm going to move this down just slightly. Perfect. And then rewatch the video before you post it, you guys. Just make sure nothing gets overlapped in this section down here with the comments, or the caption, sorry, or over the right sidebar. Alright, so it looks good to go. I'm going to go ahead and post it. And there it is, all posted and ready to go. So I hope this video helped you guys. Definitely be sure to use this 4-step formula for all of your TikTok videos, your Instagram Reels, any YouTube Shorts that you want to make. It will definitely up your social media marketing game.